Hi, this is Mark Dunn for Valley Lahvosh Baking Company. Today's video is going to focus on recipes and serving suggestions for appetizers, hors d'oeuvres, and canapes. The first recipe I want to share with you is a hot spinach artichoke dip served with Lahvosh cracker bread. Well, here's the recipe. Let's start with 1 cup of grated Swiss cheese, 1 cup of grated Monterey Jack cheese, 1 cup of Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 can of artichoke bottoms diced, and 1 10-ounce package of frozen chopped spinach, a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a couple dashes of Tabasco sauce. And just mix it up. Okay, once it's well mixed, place it into ramekins. And sprinkle a little grated Parmesan cheese on top. And they're ready to go in the oven. I put them in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. So the next step in this recipe is to take our 10-inch Lahvosh cracker bread, sprinkle with grated pepper jack cheese. A nice even layer, not too thick, all the way around, and put the Lahvosh in the oven. After about 4 or 5 minutes, now the Lahvosh, the cheesy Lahvosh cracker bread is done, is ready to go, and then we'll just cut it into wedges. We'll sprinkle a little chopped Roma tomato on there, some chopped cilantro for some flavor and some color. Okay, next I want to show you a few canapes. This first one uses our heart-shaped Lahvosh crackers and strawberry flavored Philadelphia cream cheese and fresh strawberries on top. It's very simple. First thing is just spread a little bit of the strawberry cream cheese on the Lahvosh. Take your fresh strawberries, remove the top. Now, you take several slices, about 1/8 of an inch thick, but not all the way through. 3/4 of the way through. Lay it down and fan it out. There you have it. It's just that simple. Okay, this next canapé that I want to show you is a very simple one, but it's elegant and very popular. It features our 2-inch round Lahvosh cracker, goat cheese, finely chopped walnuts, and honey. It's just that simple. It's a matter of spreading a little bit of goat cheese on the cracker. Lightly sprinkle with chopped walnuts and drizzle with honey. It can be made ahead of time. It's a perfect appetizer. The next canapé is one of my favorites. This one, again, is very simple but elegant. This one uses brie cheese, our 3-inch Lahvosh original cracker bread, and a pepper jelly, so it's sweet and hot. I'm cutting it in about 1/4 inch slices. So you put a slice of the brie on the cracker, and then just place a dollop of the pepper jelly over the cracker and the brie. 3-inch Lahvosh cracker bread with brie cheese and pepper jelly. This next canapé is one of my favorites. It's very simple. Everybody likes it. It's easy to make. You can make it ahead of time. It's salami, pepper jack, pimento stuffed green olives, and our 3-inch Lahvosh cracker bread. Very simple. Place a slice of salami on the Lahvosh cracker bread, a slice of the pepper jack, and place the olive and this is always a favorite. This canapé that I'd like to share with you is a classic. This is our 3-inch Lahvosh round cracker bread, Philadelphia cream cheese, smoked salmon or lox, capers, and dill. Very simple. Again, spread the Philly cream cheese on the cracker. Place a nice thin slice of lox on each cracker. I like to give it a little bit of elevation, not just lay it flat. You sprinkle a few capers on each cracker, not too many. Try to spread them around evenly. Garnish it with a couple of sprigs of dill. The dill again gives it a great flavor and aroma, but it's also really pretty. It looks nice. There we go, and that's the dish. So one last thing before we go, I wanted to remind you that Lahvosh crackers make a perfect accompaniment to wine tasting. They are neutral in flavor, they're not salty, they're not sweet, they're crunchy, they have that little bit of toasted sesame seed flavor. They're just perfect for cleansing the palate while doing a wine tasting or a wine event. So make sure that you mention that and present that to your customers who do wine tastings as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope that these recipes and serving suggestions were helpful, and I would really encourage you to pass those on to your restaurant operator customers and your catering customers. Hopefully they'll find those useful, and that'll end up selling more Lahvosh. So until next time, good selling.